Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashid Fareed. Today we shall solve a Inspector Legal Paper PS17 in the Punjab Police Department through PPSC. The first question is, which of the following country has the largest area in the world? The right answer is C. Russia. Um, Question number two, which of the continent has the lowest population growth rate? Right answer is A. यूरोप. यूरोप की का सबसे कम आबादी है. Horticulture is the cultivation of flower and fruit. The right answer is A. दस्ते लूट डेजर्ट, ये डेजर्ट का नेम है जो कि ईरान में वाक़ है. तो राइट आंसर इज डी. A country has no coastline is called common sense landlocked, जिसकी साहली पट्टी कोई होती ही नहीं. Which of the following mountains separate Asia from Europe? The right answer is Ural Mountain is the right answer. Day and night are changed due to, ये अर्थ के अपने एक्सिस के रोटेशन से होते हैं. तो राइट आंसर इज सी. Earth rotation around its axis. The energy generated in star is due to, right answer is B, fusion of light nuclei. And number 9, Formosa is the old name of Taiwan. Number 10, Pakistan purchased Gwadar from Oman 1958. John Gutenberg is known for his invention of printing press. Right answer is A. London is situated on the bank of river Thames. Right answer is C. Thomas. 13. The largest ocean of the world, Pacific. Which of the following seas separate Asia from Africa? Red Sea. Right answer is C, which separate Asia from Africa. Bagli Har Dam is constructed in occupied Kashmir on river Chenab. Pakistan peacekeeping force served under United Nations for the time in. ये पाकिस्तान की मिलिट्री फोर्स पीस कीपिंग मिशन कॉन्गो में कर रही है और ये 5 जगहों पे अपनी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रही है. स्मॉलेस्ट कंट्री इन सेंट्रल एशिया इज राइट आंसर ए, ताजिकिस्तान. Who advocate the theory of laissez-faire? तो राइट आंसर इज सी, Adam Smith. 19. Which of the following country has the largest number of airport? Right answer is D. आपको बताता जाऊं, यूएसए के पास सबसे ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर भी यूएसए के पास है और लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ एयरपोर्ट भी यूएसए के पास ज़्यादा है. EasyJet is the name of airline of UK. Right answer is A. Name of United Nation is coined by, ये FD रोजवेल्ट ने ये नाम तजवीज़ किया था, पेश किया था. Organized of Islamic Cooperation OIC established in 1969. The filament of electric bulb is made of, right answer C, tungsten. Which of these, when the stock market is going down, it is called bearish. Right answer is D. Optical fiber is being used in telecommunication. Right answer is A. Diego Garcia is a United States naval base in Indian Ocean. Right answer is C. Indian Ocean. No dynasty lasts more than 3 generations is the theory of Ye Ibn Khaldun. Right answer is C. After US, which country is the second largest arms seller in the world? The right answer is B. Russia is the second largest arms seller in the world. Condominium is right answer is D. A particular territory over their joint domination exercised by two or more external power. A vassal state, vassal mean मुतात मुलाजम, तो वसल मीन वो स्टेट जो किसी के मुताहत हो, तो राइट आंसर इज ए. On which is completely under the suzerainty of another state. Pinpoint the world oldest democratic country. Right answer is C. Greek. How many countries Pakistan forces serving under UN peacekeeping mission at present? 5 times. Identify the wrong statement. Pancreas secrete insulin, that is correct. Mammary gland secretes saliva, that is correct. Lacrimal gland secretes saliva, that is wrong. Liver secrete bile, ये दुरुस्त है. 34. The earth rotation on its axis is from west to east है. Solar system consists of 8 planets. 36. What Scotland Yard, ये ब्रिटिश पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट है. राइट आंसर इज बी. ब्रिटिश क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट. Digital computers are invented by Howard Aiken. Right answer is D. 38. Which of the following continent has no desert? Europe. Right answer is D. Bay of Biscay is situated between France और स्पेन के between है. Right answer is A. The world's smallest state by area is Vatican City. ये इटली में है. Which city is the oldest habited capital in the world? Right answer is B. Damascus. Temple tree are an official resident of, right answer D, Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. The famous oil painting Mona Lisa is a creation of Leonardo da Vinci. Right answer is A. Trans World Airway is an airline of USA. Right answer is C. Which of the following country parliament is called Cortes? So right answer is Spain. C. The first international organized is right answer is C. League of Nations is the first international organized. 3 Persian Gulf islands, Abu Musa, the Greater Leisure Town, are disputed between Iran and UAE. 48. Pope Benedict, the religious leader of Roman Catholic Church, belonged to Germany. Right answer is B. 49. Which of the following country first introduced paper currency in the world? Right answer is C. China. 50. The world's largest copper producer is Chile. Right answer is B. Thank you for watching my video.